Good morning, all. It is September the 24th, 2019. It is 6:50 in the morning. Alright, here we go. These are all the earthquakes that happened overnight while we slept into the day. Yeah. Alright. There was a 4.0 off the shore of Jalisco, Jalisco, Mexico. Okay, at 27.3 miles in depth. The 2.9 upgraded to a 3.1 Puerto Rico at 6 miles in depth. A 3.1 France at 3.1 miles in depth. A 3.7 Moluccan Sea, and that came in at 6.8 miles in depth. Now these are the earthquakes that happened this morning and then into the evening, except for the last one, and it just happened. There was a 4.9 Luzon, Philippines. They've got that at 12.4 miles in depth. They've got a 4.2 off the shore of Guatemala at 71.4 miles in depth. A 4.4 upgraded to a 4.7 Western Iran. They've got that at 49.7 miles in depth. A 3.5 downgraded to a 3.3 Western Turkey. They've got that at 4.9 miles in depth. 4.4 Puerto Rico region Mona Passage, which was 6.2 miles in depth. A 3.0 Antofagasta, Chile at 22.3 miles in depth. EMSC says there's a 4.7 Western Turkey at 6.2 miles in depth. USGS says it's a 4.9 Turkey, 14 miles south of Silveri. No, Silvil. Oh, let me start over, guys. Silvir. Silveri. Okay, that's USGS says there was 4.9 Western Turkey, 14 miles south of Silveri, and that came in at 6.2 miles in depth. So there's a 2-point difference between EMSC, which said it was a 4.7 Western Turkey, and USGS said it was a 4.9. They both have it at 6.2 miles in depth. Both links are in the description box. A 3.2 Puerto Rico Mona Passage region at 6.2 miles in depth. A 3.1 Western Turkey at 4.3 miles in depth. A 4.1 Western Iran at 6.8 miles in depth. A 3.4 Colombo, Chile at 42.2 miles in depth. A 3.3 Puerto Rico, that's Mona Passage region, at 6.2 miles in depth. A 3.5 Puerto Rico, Mona Passage region, at 6.2 miles in depth. A 3.1 Mendoza, Argentina at 4.3 miles in depth. A 3.4 Atarax Sea at 6.2 miles in depth. This one occurred just a few minutes ago. A 2.3 Oklahoma, that was 2 miles south of Minco, and that came in at 1 mile in depth. And a 4.7 south of Panama, 133 miles southeast of Tonosi, Tonosi, Panama, at 6.2 miles in depth. I'm hoping all these links get into the description box. Alright, guys, God bless each and every one of you. Thank you so much for watching. You guys are totally awesome. Have yourself a great day. Please be safe. Alright? 2 thumbs up for you. God bless everybody.